The King and a Parrot. The second story. In the meantime, the king fell sick. He was too weak to get up, so he stayed in bed day after day. Hotem put the parrot in an old cage and brought it to the palace. He handed it over to a king's man and went back home. The parrot was brought to the king. The king was anxious to have fun talking with the parrot. The parrot began repeating what it had learned from Hotem one by one from the first expression.
Hello, how are you?
The king answered,
Well, I fell ill while you were gone.
If it's God's will, you are doomed to die,
said the parrot. Hearing this, the king shook in anger, but the parrot continued to speak.
What do you eat?
Well, I am eating the seed of death,
answered the king angrily.
Good. Eat more, eat more. If I see it in the market, I will buy more of it.
The king was absolutely furious now and got up to kill the parrot. But the parrot began to talk again.
Isn't someone close to you bringing you the news?
Yes, the messenger of death is coming,
yelled the king. Hearing the king's reply, the parrot suddenly broke out of the cage and perched on the windowsill and said,
Your Highness, don't yell. If I run into him in the street, I promise I'll tell you.
The king was beside himself with rage and tried to kill the parrot. But the parrot flew away. The king dashed toward the window to catch the bird and fell off the window to his death. People heard what had happened and asked Hotem to be their king. There was a big feast throughout the country, and those who had fled from the cruel king all came back home.